What up, y'all? Terry Warfield. Hope you're having a good day so far. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Man, come here. Give me a hug. Come give me a hug. I'm a filmmaker. I make motivational videos, and I love talking about all things tech. So if you like that type of stuff, hit subscribe to the notification squad. Drop a hashtag up in here so I know you're up in the comments. And I know I promised y'all I would not make another Galaxy S10 video. Well, guess what? I lied, because I got one today here for you. And this one is actually about Whitestone Dome Glass protectors. So as usual, I have a little story for you. So here I am on Twitter, scrolling through my timeline, calling people liars. This is fake, you're extra, XYZ. And I get a random DM from Whitestone Dome. Now, a little backstory real quick. I've been wanting to try out Whitestone Dome protectors for a long time. Heard so many good things about them. However, I never tested them out. So for me to get a random DM from them was very exciting for me. And this is what the message said. Hey Terry, we really love your content. I'm like, I just bet you do. Go ahead and tell me more. The next message was, would you like to try out our Whitestone Dome Glass protectors for the Galaxy S10? I'm like, would I like to try them out? I'm like, is a pig's butt pork? Do bears poop in the woods? Yes, I would love to try them out. So here we are, a few days later. And boom! Now this one I kind of opened already. I thought I was gonna try to get to know it first before I did this video. But then I was like, man, I wanna take you guys on experience with me because I've never used one, never installed one. So I started opening the box, didn't finish. This is gonna be a completely interactive experience. We're gonna do this together. Few household items real quick. Number one, this is for the regular Galaxy S10. Here it is, my pride and joy. This is the Ring K Fusion X case. I really love this case. It's see-through, it's got bumpers all around it. 13 bucks, link is in the description. We got to take this off. The next thing is I am an Amazon affiliate, and Amazon has been tripping lately, man. So I must tell you that if you use my links, which I do appreciate, but if you use the links in the description, I will earn a small commission. So as long as you don't mind that, use the links below. And lastly, the music in this video is from Epidemic Sound. If you are creative and you need access to professional quality music that you don't have to worry about copyright crap for, and you like free 30-day trials, and you like sound effects and all that stuff and dope music, then if you click the link below, I'll also give you a free 30-day trial. It's a full access trial on top of that. So let's get into it. Let me show you the box. So I hope you can see this. This is the box. Presentation is real nice, right? On the front, full ultrasonic recognition, full clarity, full coverage, full filling. Please re-register your fingerprint. So let's get into it. Let me go ahead and flip this camera around. All right, so first thing I recommend doing is getting everything set up. Make sure you have your UV light set up already. Pull everything out the box, put it right in front of you. That way you can avoid any mishaps or anything like that. So go ahead and take the top off. You want to take one of the adhesive sticks out, take this out, and then pull this stuff out along with the glass protector. All right, so the first thing we need to do is take this out of the case. It's a nice case, man. That's that Ring KX Fusion case. And get an alcohol pad. So get one of the alcohol pads, open it up, and then let's get our scrub-a-dub-dub on. Use a little bit of pressure too so that you can get all the gunk off of there, man. All right, so now that we got that done, I'm gonna lift the top of this off and sit this in the tray. Next thing we want to do is use one of the drying cloths and dry that screen off, man. You want to dry that screen off. You don't want all that residue on the screen. Make sure you get in the sides and the nooks and crannies. Now, I have a little nick in my screen from being in the gym. So if I had to guess, there's gonna be a little air bubble right there. Time will tell. You want to get the dust removal stickers. They're in the box. See that? You see that? That says dust removal. I put this in a little holder. You know, you can do this holding it in your hand. I just didn't want to get any more fingerprints on the screen by mistake, so I put it on here. But you want to get all that dust off, man. You don't want to do all this hard work to turn around and have a little punk dust on your screen to mess your whole install up. Okay, next thing you want to do is grab one of your speaker stickers, and you want to put that right up there where the speaker is. And then to be safe again, I will get the dust removal sticker and just run over it again, because just that fast, I'm looking at it, there's dust on here. All right, next thing we want to do is put the top piece on. Lock that into place. You got to take the plastic clip put this back in there. All right, so the next thing you want to do is get the bridge, sit it on top, and you want to grab your adhesive, take off the colored cap, sit that on top. Once you got it on top, unscrew it, let all of that adhesive run out. You want to open up one of your glass protectors up. All right, now when you take this sticker off, you want to do it face down. Boom. All right, so you want to take this off, put that over here. All right, you want to do this face down to make sure no dust gets on it. Put that right down there at the bottom. Make sure it's lined up. Drop it on the screen, take the tab out. As soon as it falls, you want to hit the bottom corner right here. The adhesive is spreading, and just like I thought, there's a little bubble right there where that nick is. I can't do anything about that. That's not Whitestone's fault. Now this might take about 2 minutes. Don't rush it, don't touch the screen. So this is almost done. I can already tell you, man, that bubble is going to annoy me. I'm gonna want a new phone because of that little tiny nick in the screen. The nick is so small you can barely see it, but I know it's there. All right, so now that that's done, turn the UV light on. You want to cure 15 seconds on top, and then you want to do 15 seconds on the bottom. All right, now that that's out the way, we can now lift up this top piece. What you want to do is take the drying cloth and then wipe the screen. Go in one direction. You don't want to mistakenly pull it off. And I can already tell you, man, it don't even look like it's a protector on here. Oh my God, that's so annoying. Can you see that? After the first cure, you can pull off the speaker sticker. We got to do a 60-second cure on the top and the bottom. All right, so now that it's finished curing, the last test will be to see if the fingerprint scanner works. So it does say on the box that you need to re-register. I have not re-registered it yet, but let's test it out. Worked the first time. Let's try it one more time. It worked the second time too. Look at that. So all in all, I'm pleased, man. You can't even tell that there's a screen protector on here besides that bubble that's pissing me off, even though that's not Whitestone's fault. That's my fault for having a nick in the screen. But you can see, man, you can barely tell it's on here. The screen still looks gorgeous. You can't even tell there's a protector on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this the thumbs up. I don't know how long it'll last. If it's like any other glass protector, it should last for a very long time unless it cracks or you peel it off. So again, big shout out to Whitestone for looking out, sending this over. There is an affiliate link in the description if you guys want to cop one. I'm very, very pleased with that. The install was easy. Install took about maybe 10 minutes, if that, making sure I did it right. So let me go ahead and put my Ring KX Fusion case back on. And we all the way in there like swimwear. Peace and chicken grease, Terry Warfield. Peace.